Alexa, what time is it?
I don't understand what the hell you are saying.
You see, she didn't understand what the hell I'm saying. Should I throw this thing out the window? Hello, this is Grandma Hates Tech, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I have these amazing Echo Studios in my home, and I get frustrated with them at times. Whenever I speak to Alexa, she never understands what the hell I'm saying. So I decided to get the Echo Auto to see if having one in my car makes a difference. If you want to see me driving in my car and cursing at Alexa, then watch to the end of this video to see whether I check this thing out the window while I'm cruising down the highway. First of all, I don't get a lot of comments or likes in my videos, so please give this a thumbs up. If you want to see me chuck this Echo Auto out the window while driving, then give me 2 thumbs up. Also, leave a comment if you wish, and please subscribe and click that bell icon. It is free and lets you get notified when I release a new video. Here is the Echo Auto. It has 8 microphones and connects to your car via Bluetooth. However, if you have an older car, you can use this audio cable. It comes with this mount that attaches to your car air vent. And there is the charging adapter, which has 2 USB ports. You connect it to your Alexa app and then select your car's Bluetooth. Once that is done, you are ready to get the party started. Keep in mind that it does use your data on your phone, so be aware of that if you don't have a good data plan. Now I will bring you out to my car and see if she is a keeper. You can see I have this plugged into my USB port. I also have my phone plugged in. Alexa, what time is it?
I don't understand what the hell you are saying.
You see, she didn't understand what the hell I'm saying. Should I throw this thing out the window? Now I'll ask her a few questions before I start driving. Alexa, what day is it?
It's Wednesday, 13th of January.
Alexa, who's going to win the Super Bowl?
For this Super Bowl, I might pick the Steelers. That is, if they don't steal the season away from themselves. Kersplat. To check my play calls, keep asking, who's going to win the Super Bowl?
I ask her these few questions before the Super Bowl. Gives me a little bit of information that might help me pick the winner. Alexa, set me a reminder to buy dog food for my dog Achilles.
When should I remind you?
This coming Friday should do.
What time Friday should I remind you?
9 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you Friday at 9 a.m.
Alexa, I'm getting thirsty. How far away is the nearest beer store?
I'm not sure.
I'm feeling kind of thirsty. Alexa, where's the nearest beer store?
I can't get your exact location. What's the city?
If I update my address, she'll be able to tell me the location. Now once it does work and you are driving, you can update your to-do lists, set reminders, or check calendars while you keep your eyes on the road. Just ask for apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze on your phone. Alexa can even help you make calls, drop in on compatible Echo devices at home, or send an announcement that you're on your way. Let me try one more time. Then I will take my car out for a drive. Alexa, play Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton.
Here's Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton on Amazon Music.
It worked. Perhaps she likes Chris Stapleton. I couldn't play Chris Stapleton in my car because YouTube wouldn't let me. I also like Willie Nelson, but Chris Stapleton is my new favorite. I actually like the Echo Auto because it gives me a hands-free speaker to play my music while driving. That is, if she can understand what I'm saying. I posted a link down below in the description to where you can get more information on the Echo Auto. I am also just looking at my YouTube channel, and I still don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe to my channel, as I really look forward to creating more videos for you? Don't go just yet. I have these other videos that I made just for you, so please check them out. Watching my videos and subscribing really helps me out. So please click on either of these videos which I have created just for you. I know you will like and enjoy them.